Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourself, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Today I am going to talk about retail loans, fixed rate of interest and processing charges with effect from 1st July 2025. Bank of India is one of the leading public sector banks who is giving lowest rate of interest in retail loan. Concession and waiving in processing charges also available. Bank of India never charges any hidden charge like some other bank. No prepayment charges. Bank of India's RBLR is 8.35%, repo rate is 5.50%, and markup 2.85% as on 1st November 2025. Bank of India's MCLR with effect from 1st November 2025. One night MCLR is 7.95%, 1 month MCLR is 8.30%, 3 month MCLR is 8.45%, 6 month MCLR is 8.70%, 1 year MCLR is 8.85%, and 3 year MCLR is 9%. The rate will be fixed for 5 years. Upon expiry, the prevailing fixed rate as on date will be charged. If the borrower intends to switch to floating rate, the prevailing floating rate as on date will be charged. All interest rates are at per annum at monthly rate except otherwise mentioned. Fixed rate of interest are applicable for new loan as well as switch over except otherwise mentioned. Star Home Loan, Star Smart Home Loan and Star Diamond Loan in case of individuals applicable to new switch over. CIBIL personal score of 760 and above for all 10.65%. CIBIL personal score between 725 to 759 for all 10.75%. CIBIL personal score between 701 to 724 for all 10.85%. CIBIL personal score of -1 and 0 for all 10.95%. Processing charges for individuals 0.35% of loan amount, minimum rupees 3,500 and maximum rupees 30,000. Star Diamond Home Loan rupees 60,000 is irrespective of loan amount. Home loans presently not linked to CIBIL personal score with entities other than individuals and Star Probasi loan. For Star Probasi women beneficiary 10.65% fixed. For others 10.75% fixed. CRE RH home loans will attract 0.50 additional rate of interest. Processing charge individuals 0.35% of loan amount, minimum rupees 3,500 and maximum rupees 30,000. Star Diamond Home Loan is 60,000 respective of loan amount. Star Top-up Loan rate of interest applicable in respective home loan account plus premium of 0.50% and processing charges same as home loan. Star Subida Express Personal Loan for salaried and pensioner 12.15% fixed. Other than salaried and NRI is 13.15% fixed. Processing charges one time at the rate of 1% of loan amount, minimum rupees 2,500 and maximum rupees 15,000. Their personal loan scheme irrespective of loan amount and for individuals. Fully secured 15.15%. Clean and unsecured 16.15% fixed. For senior citizens aged 60 years and above and for loans up to rupees 50,000 14.15% fixed. Financing secured under tie-up arrangements 15.15% fixed. Processing charges one time at the rate of 1% of loan amount, minimum rupees 2,500 and maximum rupees 15,000. Senior citizen 60 years and above, no processing charges. Bank of India Star Rooftop Solar Panel Finance for individuals above 3 kilowatt for home loan customers 10.65% fixed. For non-home loan customers 11.65% fixed. For registered group housing societies and residential welfare associations, 13.15% fixed. Processing charges nil. Star pensional loan scheme. Fully secured, clean and unsecured. There is 13.15%. Processing charges. Senior citizens 60 years and above, no processing charges. For others, one time at the rate of 0.50% of loan amount, minimum rupees 250 and maximum rupees 1000. Vehicle loan for individuals. For four-wheelers and super bikes above rupees 5 lakhs. Civil personal score of 760 and above for all 10.65% fixed. Civil personal score between 725 759 for all 10.75% fixed. Civil personal score between 701 to 724 for all 10.85% fixed. Civil personal score of -1 and 0 for all 10.95% fixed. For two-wheelers, salaried 12.40 fixed and non-salaried and non-individuals 12.50% fixed. For second-hand vehicles, salaried persons 12.55% fixed and non-salaried and non-individuals 12.65% fixed. Motor vehicle loan. In case of entities other than individuals, external rating AAA and AA is 10.65% fixed. External rating A and B, triple B 10.65% fixed. CMR 3 and better 10.65% fixed. CMR 4 and CMR 5 10.75% fixed. No CMR and CMR 6 onwards 11.40% fixed. CMR will be reckoned if external rating is not applicable. Processing charges. New four-wheelers 0.25% of limit, minimum rupees 2500 and maximum rupees 10,000. Two-wheeler and old vehicle that 1% of loan amount, minimum rupees 1000 and maximum rupees 5000. In case of purchasing e-vehicles, 50% concession in applicable processing fee. For non-individuals, processing charge will be double that of applicable charges, including maximum ceiling to individuals. Child education loan. Education loan as per IBA scheme up to rupees 7.5 lakhs covered under CGFASL 12.35% fixed. Above rupees 7.50 lakhs 12.15% fixed. Concessions for girl students 0.50%. For all students pursuing professional courses like engineering, medical, management, etc. are eligible for 0.50% interest concession. Processing charges is nil. Arbitra Lakshmi scheme. Institutions as per list A, list B and list C is 10.65% fixed. Institutes as per list D is 11.15% fixed. No other concessions will be applicable. Processing charge is nil. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Rin Yojana 12.15% fixed. 1% interest concession may be provided for loanees if the interest is serviced during the study period and subsequent moratorium period prior to commencement of repayment. No concessions will be available after commencement of repayment. Processing charges is nil. Star Progressive Education Loan for others 12.35%. Kids of our bank staff and their respective spouses 11.35%. 0.50% concession in rate of interest to loans sanctioned for the benefit of girl students. Processing charges nil. The loan against property for individuals. Civil personal score of 760 and above. For residential property 11.40 fixed. Commercial and industrial self-occupied property is 11.90% fixed. Commercial and industrial non-self-occupied property is 12.15% fixed. Civil personal score between 700 and 759. For residential property is 11.90 fixed. Commercial and industrial self-occupied property is 12.40 fixed. Commercial and industrial non-self-occupied property is 12.65% fixed. Civil personal score below 700 only for review. For all category 13.65% fixed. Civil personal score of -1 and 0 for residential property is 12.15%. For commercial and industrial self-occupied property is 12.65%. Commercial and industrial non-self-occupied property is 12.90%. Additional 1% to be added in applicable rate of interest for loan against open plots. The additional 0.25% to be added in applicable rate of interest for overdraft reducible facility. A loan against property other than individuals only for review. For term loan, 12.65% fixed. OD reducible, 12.90% fixed. OD non-reducible, 13.15% fixed. Processing charge for loan repayable by installments, one time at the rate of 1% of sanctioned loan amount, minimum rupees 10,000 and maximum rupees 1 lakh. For mortgage OD reducible, 1% of sanctioned limit, minimum rupees 10,000 and maximum rupees 1 lakh from first year at the time of original sanction. 0.25% of the reviewed limit, minimum rupees 2,500 and maximum rupees 40,000 for subsequent years. Mortgage fees, limit up to rupees 10 lakhs is rupees 5,000. Limit exceeding rupees 10 lakhs and up to rupees 100 lakhs is rupees 10,000. Loans over rupees 100 lakhs up to rupees 500 lakhs is rupees 20,000. Limit exceeding rupees 500 lakhs is rupees 30,000. The Mitra Personal Loan Scheme, 11.95% fixed, processing charges waived. Star Reverse Mortgage Loan Scheme, 13.25% fixed, processing charge one time 0.25% of the sanction limit, minimum rupees 1,500 and maximum rupees 10,000. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share.